Civil litigation is the filing of a lawsuit or the defending of a lawsuit. Litigation is when a lawsuit has been filed. And if we're representing a claimant, litigation may begin with a demand letter, where basically we outline what we believe are undisputed facts, the controlling law, and what we believe is a reasonable dollar amount to request to resolve the dispute. Very often it's a very effective way to get things resolved. And if we're defending a case, same thing, get a good handle on what the facts are. And if my clients threaten with a lawsuit, obviously try to work with the other side to persuade them to not file one if it's possible, by pointing out perhaps all the things their client hasn't shared with them, or the stuff that they don't know, or maybe an area of a law that they overlooked, or something that they've overlooked, and to encourage them to try to resolve it without anybody having to expend a lot of time, energy, and resources. We handle a lot of cases involving breach of an agreement. Many of those disputes involve people who've hired contractors to do work at their home, or maybe build a new home, and things didn't work out the way that the agreement state that they should work out, or people didn't do the things that they said that they would do, or fulfill the promises they made. A lot of times contractors take people's money and then ignore them. So that's definitely an area of law we handle and do a lot of. Breaches of partnership agreements, business agreements that have gone south, leases that have been broken, or a lot of misrepresentations made in the leases, landlord-tenant, commercial landlord-tenant disputes we handle. We handle a lot of where people have taken their car to get it souped up, performance, as they say, and where somebody took in and paid a lot of money to get it done. Several years later, they still don't have their car and they're out all of this money. That's an area of law we handle. We handle many property disputes, real estate disputes. Family law, we handle probate, and then we often write demand letters for our clients. Most of our clients contact a lawyer after they've made a lot of effort themselves to try to get the matter resolved. Obviously, nobody wants to pay a lawyer if you don't need to. And we encourage people to try to resolve it on their own before they hire us, because it's just going to get expensive. But oftentimes what happens with people is they've been given the runaround, they've been lied to, and their patience has been exhausted, and more demands have been made on them for money, but no results for the money they've already spent. And I think at that time, people feel like they do need to contact a lawyer, and many of our clients contact us then.